Make a great choice today with the 2024 Mirage G4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.